This thing was probably about 98% already assembled. I did have to check into the instructions once just to make sure that I wasn't missing something. Now the legs, you kind of see those little divots in there. You can line those up. It gives you 4 different height positions, and makes it pretty sturdy so it won't slide. Got her assembled. Going to give this top a quick wash, and then we'll fire this thing up and start seasoning. We just used vegetable oil. Got that top good and hot for about 10 or 15 minutes on high. Rubbed it down with oil. Let it cook until it just about stopped smoking. We did that 3 times, and then here we are, ready to cook with it. Cooking bacon is a beautiful thing, but it's even better in high speed. Being new to the griddle game, this was my first cook on it. Got a little bit of learning curve here. Got my steak seared just a touch too much on that one side, but that's alright. The overall seasoning process was really easy. Went really quick. Three 3 coats of seasoning, basically. Maybe an hour to get it seasoned good enough to cook on. And we had to warm the corn back up a little bit. But steak bites and fried corn and bacon, what more could you ask for? And cleanup was even easier than seasoning. A real quick scrape, get the big stuff all pushed down, and wipe it out with a clean rag. Then while it was still fairly warm, a little oil, spread that oil around, and just done, ready for next time.